today I violated my rules. I placed 6 trades instead of 3, and on one of the trades I let it go past my stop. Not proud in the way I traded today. I traded MYOV, HD, ROKU, and AMD. So let's get to the trades. On MYOV, this thing was up about 93% in the pre-market because they have a positive trial for a prostate cancer treatment. And yeah, so the first trade on this, I took a stab at it in the open once I saw that we bounced off VWAP, but my stop was too tight and I got stopped out. And in hindsight, I shouldn't have taken this trade because this was major resistance on the daily. We were literally on the 200, or on the weekly. So on the weekly, we were at the 200 moving average. So I should have waited for it to clear this level before I got long, and I was stopped out. Later on, I gave it another try, went long, and I went with small size because I wanted to give it room to here, but then it dropped on me and I had a hard stop, but I canceled the hard stop because I didn't want to get wicked, and then it bounces up, but it continued selling off, and I got out for a huge loss. Luckily I had small size, so I did not reach my daily max loss, fortunately. And I traded HD. HD was a winner, but not happy with the way I managed it. So HD, Home Depot, they cut their full year outlook, and I shorted it once I saw that we couldn't push higher after the sell-off, and I covered some when low of day held. I covered some here, and then on the rest I got out for break even. So those were 3 trades. I had my 4th trade was on ROKU. Yeah, this was a profitable trade, but I'm not pleased with myself, the fact that I took a 4th trade. So on ROKU, I saw that we made a U, and then we got above VWAP, all these moving averages. Yesterday slow, we penetrated through the daily 200, so I went long, and it went in my direction. So I went long here, and I took it off once I saw that the 200 moving average on the 5-minute was acting as resistance. I was hoping to get to pre-market high or a previous closing price, but it didn't get there, and I got out just in time, and then after that it dropped. AMD was my last 2 trades. I saw AMD was making all new high. Well, the last time it was in the 40s was back in 2000, I believe. And here, seeing this topping tail at 41, we're extended, so I went short, stopped out. Once I stopped out, I noticed the new high resulted in a topping tail, so I went back short again, and I was stopped out. And I told myself I'm gonna stop trading because I took 5 trades. I was getting very close to my daily max loss, so I stopped trading. So I'm not proud with the way I traded today, and in fact I'm taking tomorrow off. I'm not trading tomorrow because I'm really disappointed myself, the fact that I violated my rules. And I'm gonna have to reflect and yeah, so I'm not going to take any trades tomorrow, so there will not be a recap tomorrow from me. I'll be back on either Thursday or Friday. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Peace.